Hello, welcome again. So this is the instructions video on writing assignment. So as we can see from our syllabus that there is a writing assignment, the writing memo for 20 points. So now I will show you how the writing memo will be graded and how to collect data for the writing memo and how to write a memo. Okay, so now let's start. So this one. So this is the writing memo, and so this one will be due by May 7, 2021. So, and what you have to do, so you have to collect data on ASC 606 from SEC EDGAR, meaning Securities and Exchange Commission EDGAR. I will show you how to collect data, analyze the data in Excel, and report your data, and finally write a memo. Okay, so now I will show you how to collect data from the SEC EDGAR. Okay, so now let's see. Here is an Excel file. So in the Excel file, I have assigned 20 companies for all of you, meaning for each one of you. So for example, Abdullah Al-Samari, he has been assigned these 20 companies, meaning he has to collect data for these 20 companies, and I will show you one or two sample and how to collect data for the companies. See, ASC means this is a new accounting rule, okay, to record the revenue from customers. So now let's go and I will show you. Say for example, I'm showing you how to collect data on the ASC 606 for HOG. This is Harley Davidson Incorporation. So, okay, what we will do here, you can see, let me make it bigger. So here you can see, you can search the company name by company name, ticker symbol, or CIK. So what I'm gonna do, I want to use the HOG, which is the ticker symbol. Okay, so just click over here. Okay, okay, so you have a lot of information. So just click over here, annual report and 10Q. This is the 10K, meaning annual reports, and 10Q is the quarterly reports. Click over here. So view all 10Ks and 10Qs. Okay, so we have all the 10K and 10Q. So what you will do, you will sort them. Okay, so we can see all the 10Ks, but we will collect data, see, for the 10Qs. Okay, so just click over here. What I'm going to do, I'm clicking on the 10Q, the first 10Q of the 2017, because the new rule, the ASC Accounting Standard Code Codification 606 was effective from the December 2017, actually from 2018. Okay, so now we want to see whether they were talking about the ASC 606. Okay, click over here. So, and now Control F. Okay, I'm writing revenue recognition. Okay, now we can see that accounting standards not yet adopted, but they were talking about it. See that ASEU Accounting Standard Update 2049 is a comprehensive new revenue recognition model that requires a company to recognize revenue to depict the transfer of goods or services to customers in an amount that reflects the consideration, blah blah blah, many things. Okay, and they are saying that the guidance may be adopted using either a full or modified version. So the company expects to adopt new revenue recognition guidance using the modified retrospective method. See that? Okay, so this is what they are talking about. And now from this information, what we will do, let's go there. So this is our HOG. So Harley Davidson. So I'm just coloring this one, so I can go through the row. So this one. Okay, now on the first quarter of 17, they were talking about this one. Yes, I write yes. And on the second quarter, definitely they will be talking about this one, so I will be writing yes. And on the third quarter, yes. And it is effective from the first quarter of 2018, so they have adopted this one. Okay, so if we go to the if we go to the first quarter of 2018, let's see what they are talking about. So again, Control F and search with the revenue recognition. Okay, so what we can see that in May, blah, this is the comprehensive review. So model that records company recognized revenue, blah, blah, blah. So, and they're saying the company adopted, see that? The company adopted ASU 2014-9 on January 1, 2018, okay? And the company applied the standard to all contracts using the modified retrospective method, okay? And now, let's see. They have adopted, yes, adopted. Yes, adopted, yes. So, and now let's see which method they have used. They have used the modified one. So they did not use the, they did not adopt the full retrospective. And let's see whether they found any significant impact on their revenue or the retained earnings. See, I have already recorded that they have found significant impact on the revenue. And now let's see what they have found. See that the company recorded a net increase to the opening balance of retained earnings of 6 million net of income taxes as of January 1, 2018 as a result of adopting this one. So after adopting ASU 2014-9, meaning after the adoption of ASC 606, they have found an increase in the retained earnings in the, by the amount of 6 million. Okay, so I have written 6 million. Yes, they have found an increase of 6 million. See that? And then this one. So this is how you will record all the information. Okay, this is how we will record all the information. Okay, and then after collecting data for all these companies, okay, let me make it bigger. Say, for example, I'm just taking, let me see, okay, this one, okay, I'm just copying this one and making a new one. Okay, see that you say, for example, you have collected data for all of these, okay, and you will find some yes and some no. Okay, okay, let me see. Yes, say for example, you will find some no as well. No, then no, then yes, yes, no, yes. Okay, and then here it is the same thing. So what you will do, you will do an analysis on how many companies out of these 20 companies, how many companies have adopted this new rule, and how many companies have experienced an increase in retained earnings or increase in revenue. Okay, so you will report those findings, and I will upload a sample writing memo for you so that you can follow the structure. Okay, and let me show you a sample how you will report. Okay, now here is a writing sample. So I have written this one for you. So you will you can follow this template. So you will write. So you will do the analysis by this one. Okay. So you can report the analysis of your data as it is here. Okay. So I will upload this one on Learn. Okay. So I think it will help you. Okay. And one more thing that I want to tell you. So see that how the writing memo will be graded. So collecting data at 8 points and analyzing and writing 12 points. So data and do the analysis and write the paper as I have shown you in this sample, writing sample. Okay, I hope it will help you. So if you have any question, you can ask me.